Hi SellerMetrics users, I'm happy to launch a new reporting called the Overview Reporting. This report here allows you to see your main metrics through time by individual days, and you can see how it trends by activating the chart here. What's great about this for sellers is that you can, for this particular report, you could see how your Amazon PPC stats compared to your top line sales stats through time, since now that SellerMetrics is able to connect to your Seller Central data. Some important metrics such as tacos and also organic sales to PPC ratio allows you to track the effectiveness of your Amazon PPC sales / campaign compared to your organic sales. Right here, you can select up to 60 days for this particular report. Right. And you can see it trend through time for each of these individual metrics on the chart right here. And the account selects allows you to select individual accounts. If you select accounts that are of multiple currency, it would automatically adjust everything into US dollars, as you can see here. And so if you select just one currency, you could see it in the reporting in its local currency. In this case, it would be the Great British Pound for the UK marketplace. And this is for the sellers, and for the KDP authors, the screen would look a little bit different as we don't have any connection to your KDP dashboard at the moment. But you can still see the sales through time. You see the Amazon PPC metrics, ACOS, cost per click, conversion rate on a PPC level. And if you click on the arrow dropdown, you can see it attribute different ad types here. Going back to the seller account, you can see that attributed all the way down to the ad type levels. Yeah, so this is on top of everything. You could also download the information on the grid information on the chart right here, and you could download it by Excel or PDF. And the reporting would kind of look like this, and Excel would look like that. Allows you to export the data and look into, and allows you to either send this report to your clients or do further analysis with it.